In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error message in Adobe that pops up with a message saying this unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled. Now, it's quick and straightforward. We just need to head over to our Start menu on our computer and search for Windows Defender. Then tap on Windows Defender Firewall. And from the left here, we need to come into Advanced Settings, come inside of Inbound Rules from the left, and we need to create a new rule by coming over to the right here. And from the left, select Program. Then we just need to find the application that we're trying to run. So it could be Photoshop or Premiere or After Effects. The steps are exactly the same. You'll need to locate the file, which is usually within the C drive, inside of Program Files, inside of the Adobe folder. And as you can see, here are all my Adobe folders. So let's say, for example, you were getting the error message on After Effects. We can just double click on that, click on After Effects, and then press Next to add it to the list. Then here you need to make sure you block the connection and press Next again. Then we just need to give it a name. I'm just going to call it Adobe. And then we can go ahead and press Finish. Then in this list, you'll need to remove any firewall settings that already exist in here. So as you can see, for After Effects, I already have these 4 rules here. So we just simply need to right click on them and select Delete and go down the list till they're all gone. The only one we want to keep is this blocked one here that we just created. And once we've deleted all of these, we can then come over to Outbound Rules. And we're going to do exactly the same again by selecting New Rule. Then come over to Program and we need to select our application. Now mine's saved in the C drive, and once again we can select After Effects. Then click on Next. And again we're going to block the connection. Hit Next, and then give it a name. I'm going to call it Adobe once more and hit Finish. And then you should see this in the Outbound Rules here. And then just make sure we don't have any other references that already exist, but it looks fine to me. And that's it, guys. By following all of these steps, that would have got rid of the error message for you. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.